Hey there, tech enthusiasts and aspiring programmers. I am thrilled to have you here at Shay's Tech Academy. Today, I want to take a moment to introduce myself and give you a glimpse of what you can expect from this channel. As a passionate technology enthusiast and experienced programmer, I've always had a deep fascination with the digital world. I created this channel with the aim of sharing my knowledge and helping you navigate the exciting realms of IT and programming. Whether you're a complete beginner or already have some experience in the field, Shay's Tech Academy is here to guide you on your learning journey. We'll dive into various programming languages, explore software development with programming languages such as Python, Java, R programming and so on. We'll even touch on cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. Through clear and concise explanations, interactive coding tutorials, and hands-on projects, our goal is to make complex tech concepts accessible and enjoyable for everyone. You'll find step-by-step guides, practical tips, and real-world examples that will empower you to build your skills and bring your ideas to life. So, whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or someone looking to switch careers, join me on this exciting adventure at Shay's Tech Academy. Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos.